Hi friends, this video shows how to remove password lock. First we need to power off this mobile phone. We have two options. We can press and hold this power button or press volume up and power button together. So let me press and hold this power button. We get this power menu. From here we can move this white circle down to power off, then release. So this way we can power off this mobile phone. Next I am going to power on this phone. I am going to press and hold volume down and power button together. Volume down and power button. These two buttons we need to press and hold together. When we see OnePlus logo, at that point we can release power button. Let me release power button. But please hold volume down button. Please don't release it. Now we can see the Android recovery menu. Now we can release volume down button. Then press volume down button. Select language. Let me set English. Then press power button to confirm this selection. And here you can see three options: format data, reboot device, power off. So let me select format data. Then press power button to confirm this selection. And here you can see it's asking for verification code. So we have to enter this code 3683. Here you can see the format option. You can tap on this format option and you can trigger the hard reset. But you should be careful here because this operation will delete all data from your phone, your photos, videos, contacts, everything. If you are okay with that, you can tap on this format option and hard reset this mobile phone. After hard reset, you have to set up the phone. You have to again enter your Gmail ID and password, so that way you can remove password lock. So you can try this. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.